Hello everyone, this is Amber Sargent and welcome to my children's literacy page. The assignment that best represents me as a teacher would have to be the family literacy backpack. And this is because this assignment included having to come up with many different tools and activities, which included book selections, artifacts, writing prompts, hands-on activities, and even an assessment. So being able to master all of those things as a whole will only help me become a greater teacher in the future. The assignment I'm most proud of would have to be the book trailer, and this is because I really had to challenge myself to be as creative and engaging as possible, all while trying to master using technology. I'm not the best at it, so I was extremely proud of how well this assignment came out. The assignment that was most challenging would have to be the library field experience, and this is because it had to be done virtually. I feel as though if we were able to be active in the community and get our hands dirty and our feet wet, we would be able to experience this in a total different way and get more out of what the assignment was supposed to be. Overall, though, I still loved it and was still able to learn a lot from this assignment. So, just going to show you guys a couple of pages. Here is my virtual discussion page. Here's my reader response blog page with the links to all of the blogs. My book trailer page. The family literacy backpack page. The virtual library, which has the link and the screencast. Here is my library field experience page, which has my virtual classroom as well as my reflections. Here we have some resources that I included. We have videos, different activities you can look through, as well as different links in the reflection. And that is my project. So thanks.